Yeah, actually, we have something more to show you. Adam, filter,
Yeah,
important topic.
this is it. So this is our filter specifically for heat pumps. Again, early days of our installations, we struggled to find a heat pump filter that had high kV value for high flow rates. So we designed this ourselves. It's got a magnet inside it, easily taken apart. And the big key is non-metallic waste is captured by a large gauze filter. This takes forever to block up. Even if the central part blocks up, we've got full flow rate around the outside of it. Drain off point at the bottom, isolation valves. It's got a 25-year warranty on as well. So pretty good piece of kit.
And you are selling it together with your heat pump mostly, or like a separate product?
Yeah. So we sell them separately as well. Every one of our heat pumps comes with one of these filters with it. But if you want to buy them separately, you can. Again, suitable for gas boilers, oil boilers, brine side of a ground source heat pump, etc. Good piece of kit. Full stainless steel.
Thanks, Adam.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Cheers, guys.
How are you doing? You are doing trainings for your